In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be able to recover a lost Trust Wallet account. Losing access to your wallet can be a stressful situation, but with a few simple steps, you can regain control. Let's dive into the process. First things first, you'll need to open the Trust Wallet app on your device. Once you have it open, you'll notice several features prominently displayed on the main interface, such as the options to send, receive, swap, buy, and sell. You'll also see the various tokens that you may hold within your wallet. This intuitive layout is designed to make your transactions and account management seamless and efficient. Now, direct your attention to the top of your screen and click on the option labeled Accounts. This should give you a detailed view of your wallet and its configurations. Next, find the three dots located beside your wallet and click on them to access further settings. Here, you'll be presented with two options for securing your secret phrases: Google Drive and Manual. These are backup options that ensure you have a way to recover your wallet if needed. Simply click on Backup Now and you will be prompted to select your email account. Follow the on-screen instructions to copy your secret phrase. It's crucial to store this phrase safely, as it is your key to regaining access to your wallet in case of any issues. With your secret phrase safely backed up, let's move on to recovering a lost Trust Wallet. Begin by reopening your Trust Wallet app. Upon reopening, you'll be met with two options: Create a new wallet and I already have a wallet. Since we're focusing on recovery, you'll want to select I already have a wallet. After choosing this option, you'll be prompted to enter your secret phrase. This is where that phrase you copied earlier comes into play. Carefully paste it into the designated field. Finally, after entering your secret phrase, adhere closely to the prompts displayed on your screen. These instructions are specifically tailored to guide you through the unfolding recovery process. Once you've completed all the steps, your wallet will be successfully recovered and you'll regain full access to your assets. By following these instructions, you can confidently manage situations involving lost access to your Trust Wallet. Remember to always keep your secret phrase secure, as it secures your peace of mind when it comes to digital assets. Thank you for joining today's guide, and I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to enhance your digital experience.